Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you how to easily add bleed to your Canva designs for perfect prints. First, click the Create button. In the search bar, type poster and press enter. From the available options, select Landscape Poster. This will open a new project where you can start designing your poster in the landscape orientation. Next, select this design option. To display the bleed on your slide, go to File and select Settings. Then, look for the option labeled Show Print Bleed and click it. You will now see a line appear at the edge of your design indicating the bleed area. This helps ensure important elements stay within safe zones for printing and nothing gets cut off unexpectedly. This indicates a print blip. What does this function do? If you want to add an image, for example, you can set a background image here. Select the area or component, then upload or choose your desired image from the options provided. This allows you to customize the background visually. A prompt appears indicating you need to adjust the image size for optimal print results. To do this, click on the image to select it. Then, use the corner handles to resize the image. Drag the corners until the image extends slightly beyond the bleed line, ensuring important elements are within the safe zone. The bleed line marks where the design will be trimmed, so it's crucial that your image fully surpasses this area. Confirm the image covers the entire area you want printed. Properly resizing helps avoid unwanted borders and ensures your final print looks polished and professional when completed. Adjust this setting so it will appear in your printed document. Then continue making any other required changes before moving to the next step. Select this image, then click the Share button. Choose Download from the options. Here, you can save the file as a PDF for printing or use the batch printing feature. You can also enable the scrap option and mark the bleed area to prepare this design for professional printing or further edits. Use NYK color profiles for professional printing to ensure color accuracy. Make this selection before you click the download button to get the best results for printed materials. You've learned how to add bleed to your Canva pages. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more design tips.